to all of you guys who's new to the channel, welcome. I'm Diane and I just recently moved to New York from the Philippines, and in this channel I record my everyday life in New York City, starting my life from scratch, from building friends to connections to finding jobs. Join me as I uncover each page of my story through my vlogs. My husband and I live in Long Island, which is an hour and a half from Manhattan, and this is our daily commute to the city. Hello you guys, it's been a while. I'm so sorry I rested for a whole month before vlogging, but I wanted to do this because I haven't filmed any vlog of spring in New York, and it's already 3 p.m. here, April 21 in New York City. And I started the day by going to the City Girls Walk, and the walk is actually sponsored by Kiefer. When you go to sponsored walks, you get freebies like this. I met new other friends in the walk, and we did some coffee, some talking, some walk on the Chelsea Highline, and now I'm going home. But let me tell you how my day went. Let's start from the walk. So welcome. The hardest thing about moving to another country and in a big city is finding new friends. On my 7-month mark here in New York, I still haven't made any friends, and it feels a little bit lonely to be in a big city without any friends. So I decided to join a group. It's called City Girls Who Walk, where we gather every Sunday for a walk in Central Park or at this walk in Washington Square Parks. Some walks are also sponsored. You can meet all other girls who live in New York City, or not just in the city, everywhere in New York, like me who lives in Long Island, who travels to the city every Sunday to meet new friends. If you're new in a city, you really have to put yourself out there, you really have to make an effort to meet new people. Like what I do, I travel an hour and a half every Sunday for a 45-minute walk, but that's alright because you're restarting your life, you're restarting your story, you want to make new friends, so you gotta put yourself out there. The walk usually is held in Central Park, and it usually lasts 45 minutes to 60 minutes. And every time the walk is done, you gather with all the girls, and if you guys want to grab coffee, you will go to some coffee shop and talk about life, change contact information, socials. So in the future, you can just hit them up if you want to grab coffee. I actually made a lot of friends over the 5 months of 2024, and I'm so happy for that. And I'm just out here spreading my wings and meeting new people. So if you're like me who's new to the city, I recommend you trying and searching within your city group or communities like this, because it made a huge impact in my life, and it makes you restarting your own life in a new place a little bit bearable when you have friends surrounding you. That's why I'm so thankful to this community, City Girls Who Walk. I found them on TikTok, and they're also on Instagram. If any of you is a member of that group, I'm so thankful you're here. I'm so grateful for the community, and to Brianna, I know she's the one who started the group. You are helping a lot of New York transplants or people who just moved into this city. Thank you so much. So today I made 3 new friends in that walk, and after the walk we decided to go to a nearby coffee shop in Washington Square Park, and then we all decided to head to Chelsea Highline because there's an ongoing art show, and we left it off there. We exchanged socials, and we're still friends until now, and keep each other posted in case of some future events that they want to join. And then I headed home and ended the day with a K-drama and sunset at 8:30 p.m. Good morning guys, we are in Grand Central. It's April 21 today, and it's currently 8:45 a.m. and I don't know, I just went along with my husband today, but I want to film some more spring videos about the spring season in New York City. And yes, now we're here, but first let's get small size. I chose this cafe because it's near Grand Central, and Grand Central is near Central Park where I will be going next. And if you're looking for a working space, I recommend you checking this out also because they have lots of seating options, and they also have sockets for when you want to work. I literally worked here for an hour. It's quiet, not a lot of people, and I got so much work done. So try this out. Hi you guys! Oh my god, we are now walking to Central Park to see the cherry blossoms, and I'm so excited. So I'm so lucky. It's a lovely weather today. I also read that this is the sunniest day of the week. That's why I really went today, because who knows, this is the only time that I'm gonna be able to film my spring vlog, and I really wanted to see the pic of the Izakaya Nomad, north of Madison. Nomad area. So it's in 26th Street and Broadway. We're celebrating our friend's birthday. See you tomorrow, or see you in the next vlog, or see you on the next day of this vlog. I don't know, but yeah, see you. Bye!